Today our topic is in knitting technology. In knitting technology, there is a comparison of warp and weft knitting. Okay, warp means course wise and weft means wale wise. Okay, in warp knitting, the yarns are feed course wise. In warp knitting, the yarns are feed wale wise. It means if there are 2000 needles approximately, assume in the warp knitting, in weft knitting, it is have a circular knitting machines. Circular knitting machines means the supply packages are in a circular form. The needles are is also in the circular form. In warp knitting machine, then up to 2000 warp ends can knit simultaneously one row of course. In the weft knitting machine, even one of the reed form a cone or cheese of yarn is sufficient to knit a course. It means that 200 warp threads is equal to the 200,000 weft needles are also equal in the cones or cheese in a circular knitting machine. This is a circular knitting machine. See, in the supply packages are in the form of round worm, and in the cylinder in the middle of the part of this machine, the needles are inserted 2000 needles in the circular form only. By the rotation of the circular form, the needles are looping from one yarn to the another yarn from the supply package. And this is the warp knitting machine. It is a like a weaving machine, like a warp knitting machine. It will be same horizontal like the fabric will be formation. According to the warp knitting machine will be used only the t-shirts and approximately high quality. In warp knitting, the needles knit sequentially while they knit concurrently in warp knitting, with the results that the same path. In the weft knitting, the yarn path weft knitted fabric in horizontal, while that in warp knitted fabric is either vertical or diagonal. Means in weft knitting, the needles are knit sequentially, one by one order only. The needles are to and fro motion will be formation, and loop formation of the fabric will be formed. In warp knitting, after one loop only one needle only, total end of the fabric will be finished. But in weft knitting, one supply package and one needle is only, loop formation will be done. In weft knitting, the yarn supply is usually in the form of cone or cheese. In warp knitting, the yarn is one long beam or a number of small warp beams. On weft knitting machines, the staple fibers of strands are used in very closer fibers, and it has a high strength and cotton like wool and jute, as well as continuous filaments like silk filaments, viscose, nylon, polyester, polypropylene filaments can be worked very subsequently. Why? Because the tensile properties and cohesive durability and strength and chemical processing easily work done in this type of natural yarns only. On the warp knitting machines, while only filament yarn can be successfully worked. Why? Because formation of weaving is very easy, like weaving machines only. So like that, in warp knitting only continuous filament yarn is only till end of the work will be completed in the warp knitting machine, especially using comparison of construction of t-shirts. On weft knitting, use latch needles are used. Usually in knitting machine, there are three types of needles. One is spring needles used, compound needles, and beard needles. You also use latch needles. In that only weft knitting machines, there are latch needles are used. On warp knitting machines, latch and compound needles are used to obtain a fine warp knit structure to obtain high production. On a warp knitting machine, a variety of goods can be knitted. Means variety of what means totally depends upon the curtains and automobiles and transportations, medical textiles. In medical textiles also, various non-surgical and surgical compounds are also useful for in operation theaters. Sutures and different types of yarns are inserted in operations, and bandages. and interior decorations of our clothing, tablecloths, and interior decorations, and it's mostly useful in the all weft knitting only. In warp knitting only useful for the t-shirts and ladies t-shirts, half t-shirts and full t-shirts, round t-shirts, and embroidery t-shirts. That's only warp knitting and you will use. In weft knitting only there are so many techniques and so many structures are also available in the weft knitting machines. There are four types of weft knitting structures are there: single jersey, purl, interlock, and double jersey. In warp knitting machine only underlap, close lap, overlap, only four different types of stitches. It is very easy to convert the warp knitting and weft knitting. Vertically is less than with warp knitting machines. Basically, diameter and gauge being fixed dimensions, the fabric quality cannot be changed on weft machines, can be done on warp knitting machines. On warp knitting machines, change in pattern does not affect the speed and they do not require special attachment for pattern work. The scope for stitch variation and combination is unlimited in warp knitting. In weft knitting, the production speed reduces with cams or the mechanical means of change in designs. Means approximately there is a structures and so many in weaving, so many different types of structures are there. But in warp and wefting, only constant structures are maintained. And warp knit fabrics cannot be cheaper than weft knits, but they differ certain functional, aesthetic, or novelty effects over the weft knits. Weft knit fabrics tends to have great inherent resilience than warp knit fabrics, and hence are more suitable for ladies and children's outerwear fabrics. Okay, and warp knit fabrics usually stretch in widthwise direction in contrast to weft knit structure which possess extensibility in both widthwise and lengthwise. Invariably, the warp knit fabrics are much more dimensionally stable than weft knit fabrics. Warp knit fabrics are also ladder resistant. Weft knit fabrics are cheaper to produce than warp knit fabrics because of less preparatory process involved. Semi-complete garments can be made on weft knit machines. For example, circular weft knitting machines can knit tubular sweater lengths and welts rib borders or necklines. Weft knitting machines, even with multi-feed yarns, requires less capital cost and floor space. Okay, means weft knit have cheaper. Why? Because the t-shirts and tablecloths and kerchiefs are very regularly we are using in home furnitures. But in warp knitting, t-shirts are very costly. Offhands, woolens, and different types of t-shirts are very generated. Why? Because machinery is also cost and labor work is also very high. In weft knitting machines, there are tubular knitting machines like lengthwise means socks and rolling fabrics and especially rolling necklines and ladies wears etc. In weft knitting is low cost and floor size is also very in circular form only. The machine is only in the circular form, but in warp knitting machines, the horizontal space is very occupies very high space and very expensive, and labor cost is also very high in warp knitting machines. Okay, this is the about the comparison of the warp and weft knitting machines. I am very thankful. Thank you.